Hi traders, welcome back to another trade recap video. So yesterday I took a long position on pound dollar secured above 4.2R. If you have not watched my previous trade recap, I also secured a 5R trade on Thursday. So yesterday was more of a chasing the high setup. So let's have a look at the chart. If you look at the chart, you can see the setup here, it was about 4.2R. So why did I specifically looking for a bullish continuation trade? It was fairly straightforward, because price broke through the 125.40 high. We have multiple key swing points here supporting price above. That's why yesterday, the entire day when I woke up, I was looking at the chart. There was only one simple setup, which is to look for bullish continuation trade. So as price actually formed these kind of choppiness in the Asian to early London session, I wasn't interested in taking any setup until something happened on the 5-minute. If you look at the 5-minute time frame, we have a range here, minor pullback, attempt to break through the high on the pre-London session, come all the way back. When price starts retracing all the way back, trust me, a lot of the so-called SMT traders, a lot of the people who actually look at the stat of 1 to 5 minute chart, they will definitely chase the sell. But as someone who actually have performed top-down analysis, that's why I always highlight the importance of performing your top-down analysis and make sure you have your direction aligned with the high time frames. As a day trader, our job is not just to stare at the 1 to 5 minute chart. A lot of times we actually need to go back to the high time frame. Then we refer to what the bigger players are actually trying to do. What are they planning? So simple thing. So if you look at this one, on the 5-minute after price broke through the 125.44, we have some sells here. After price having some sells, rejected, go back up, come back down, forming that falling wedge pattern. As you can see here, we have some tiny wedge pattern here. Then we sort of just burst to the upside. Drop down to the 2-minute time frame. I actually took this based on the 2-minute chart. You can actually see how we have multiple failures around 125.36. Go back up to the 15-minute. My initial entry price was actually a little bit lower, was actually around 125.33, because there was a minor structure here. So I was anticipating price to come back so I could take a better price. I could get in at a better discounted price. But after seeing that multiple rejections at this 125.36 low, then we have the upwards breakout, and this wave actually broke through the dynamic resistance here, which is a trend line. Then what I did was I simply looked for I actually had a buy limit order at 125.40, and price have that massive, if you look at 1 minute, we have that massive 1-minute candle smash through my buy limit, fill me up, then it just popped back up. And after seeing that price pop back above it, forming that nice pin buy, I knew that hey, this is a very good setup, high chance it was going to be a profitable trade. And guess what, we just kept running, just hit my target. So this kind of setup is how I define an A quality setup. High time frame bullish, low time frame bullish, market condition was strong, strategy fits well, target hits in a fairly short period of time, really high quality trade for about 4.2R. Was managed to get in my entry with a tighter stops for about 8 pips. So that's it for the trade recap. It was a simple setup. Like this kind of trend continuation often get overthink by a lot of the retail trader. A lot of times when this kind of setup present in front of them, they have the eagerness, the curiosity to look for mean reversion or reversal setup, while the bigger players was actually just looking to buy. So this big lesson also tell all of you, when price is presenting a strong uptrending condition, stick to the direction, stick with the flow. Don't have the urge to say, I want to take counter trend setup, I want to take reversal setup. A lot of times you start thinking like that, you'll miss out a lot of great opportunity and simple setup like this. So that's it for the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye bye.